Making
There are
biochar.
elements that are free that you can use in your garden in order to improve the fertility of your soil, water retention, and also catching carbon from the air. It doesn't just catch carbon but also stores it. Don't confuse it with the normal charcoal from your fire pit. This is not biochar, this is just normal charcoals or coals that are coming out from the woods. You just take normal woods from your trees or anywhere, cut them or chop them into smaller pieces. Uh, and you'll also need some cans, as you can see, put them inside. You fill those cans with the small chunks of wood, and you'll need a metal bucket or an imbawula or a normal drum, the big one, if you have it. I don't have it, I'll just use this normal imbawula. So those are the basic things that you need. After filling up the can with the chunks of wood, you wanna put the can inside the imbawula facing down so that no air comes in and out of that can. I want you to pay a special attention to this. Here is a normal coal that's coming from the woods. It breaks very easily and it does not hold any shape. Then this is biochar. It holds the shape that the wood have went in that particular can, and it comes exactly as it is. Even if you can put a chicken, the chicken will come exactly with that structure. It will not burn away, but it will just hold that structure. As you can see, one thing about me, I'll never let that fire to go away. I'll use the same fire to cook my food while I'm burning the char inside the imbawala. Let's see the results tomorrow. Cheers, I hope you learned something.